Good morning, students. We will continue with the simplification. In today's simplification, we will see the use of brackets. First, let me tell you about the different types of brackets. There are 4 kinds of brackets. The first is the bar or vinculum. Second is the round bracket or small bracket. Third is the curly bracket, which is also known as braces. And the last one is the square bracket, which is also known as big bracket. When brackets are present in a simplification sum, we proceed in the following order. First, we do the operation within the first bracket, that is vinculum. Then we do the operation within the second bracket, that is known as the small bracket. After that, we do the operation within the curly bracket. And at last, we do the operation within the square bracket. After that, the rest sum is solved in the order of odd mass. For simplifying the expression involving the bracket, we must proceed according to the letters of the word V BODMAS. Here V stands for vinculum, B for bracket, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Now let's understand it with few examples. The first question is, we have to simplify 14 minus within the square bracket 12 minus within the curly bracket 9 minus within the small bracket 7 minus 6 minus 2 under the bar, small bracket closed, curly bracket closed, and the square bracket closed. In the given expression, as I told you, when the brackets are present, we first solve the vinculum, that is the bar. So we will first solve the number under the bar, that is 6 minus 2. So after subtracting 6 minus 2, we get 4, and other terms will be written as it is. After vinculum, we have to solve the small bracket. So the number within the small bracket is 7 minus 4. So after subtracting 7 minus 4, we get 3. And the other terms will be written as it is. After small bracket, we will solve the term within the curly bracket. So when we solve 9 minus 3, we get 6. After curly bracket, we will solve the term within the square bracket. So 12 minus 6, that is equal to 6. Now we will subtract 14 minus 6, and the final answer is 8. Example number 2. We have to simplify 100 minus within the curly bracket, and within the small bracket we have 7 of 8 plus 4, small bracket closed, divided by 5, curly bracket closed. In this sum, we don't have bar. So we will first solve the number within the small bracket. Within the small bracket, we are having 2 operations, that is off and addition. So we will first solve off. So we know that 7 of 8 will be 56. And other terms will be written as it is. After solving off, we will do the addition within the small bracket. So we get 100 minus 60 divided by 5 within the curly bracket. After small bracket, we will solve the curly bracket. So when we divide 60 by 5, we get the quotient 12. Now when we subtract 100 minus 12, we get the difference 88. I hope students, the use of BODMAS in solving the sums must be clear to you. Thank you.